Scarlett Arrow Outdoor Rug, large black and white buffalo checkered floor mat for porch, front door, kitchen, and bathroom. Washable thick plaid hand-woven fabric, Trendy home decor 27.5 x 43 inches. A spruce up your home. Make your abode look stunning with our large outdoor mat. This thick cotton mat is highly versatile. Use it to layer rugs at your doorstep or add it as a bedside runner. A cozy plaid design, our porch mat's black and white checkered design can make living spaces inviting. Its softness is evident in one look, making it appear comfy and welcoming from the get-go. Built to last, not only is our front door rug larger, it is also thicker to ensure durability. We use a special crimping method for the edges to keep the doormat intact in spite of heavy use. A clean with ease, maintenance is hassle-free when it comes to our buffalo plaid doormat. You can vacuum it or throw it in the washer to give it a thorough clean. Hang to dry, and it's all set. A satisfaction guaranteed. Customer satisfaction is paramount for us. We will refund or replace the front porch rug you received if it doesn't meet your expectations, no questions asked. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.